Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue number 53 of Build the Iconic Ford Falcon XB GT, the 1/8 scale madmax car, folks. Yes. And it's brought to you by our good old friends over at Hachette Partwork. Yes. So if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build one of these along with me, and who wouldn't, head over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Bing. And you too can have this on your bench. Let's have a look through this week's magazine and see what we're up to. We got the cylinder head cover, folks. So we want the valve head covers from our previous issue, and we're going to be fixing them to this cylinder head cover. We've also got some PS5 screws, and this is where it's going on our Ford Falcons, folks, okay? Nice simple issue again, folks. We're just grabbing each cover, dropping it in place. Luckily it's stamped, so you can see left and right. So spin your covers over, check what letter is on them, and then we can fix them in place with two PS05 screws each side. And that's our completed assembly when we're done. I want to make brum brum noises already, folks. Designs for a new era is the sporty Corvette there. This is a 1953 Corvette. It says presented in spectacular settings with plenty of glamour. I do believe that's the Golden Gate Bridge in the background. Very elegant looking lady there. 56 model there with retro style and hints of the Mercedes SL. I always like the little indent, especially with a two-tone paint job. It just, yeah. Father of the Corvette, Zora Arcus Duntov. What a name. It says he's here with a 66 Corvette, and he was born as Zachar Arcus into a Jewish-Russian family in Brussels, Belgium, in 1909. But by Christ, could he design a car. What beauty, eh? Cool. So that's the magazine done. So we'll put that to one side and we'll bring in our bits and bobs and we'll do a little bit of assembly for you peeps, okay? So here we are. Here's the cylinder head block. You got your manifold all cast in place, ready for when the carburetors and that go on. And then we got our engine covers there. You got right and you got left, okay? Pretty straightforward. So we're going to do the right hand side first. You'll notice you've got an angle on that side. Goes in there. Can only go on the one way. And we're going in here. Now I've already oiled up a screw on the screwdriver for us. So we can just line that up. Give it a couple of turns. I'm not fully tightening it until the second one's in place. That way we've got a little bit of jiggle room so that we can drop the moulded edges of the black valve cover into the groove that goes around the edge of the die cast, okay? Once that's located, you'll hear it click into place as I move it, see? Like that. We can then fully tighten this screw because we know that's engaged now. Then we can go back to this one, give it a little jiggle just to make sure it's retained. And then again, just give that screw now its little nip. That's in place. We'll do the same on the other side. Grab the screw, little bit of oil, pop. Little turnykins just to let the oil run down the thread. And we'll do the same there. We've got the angled edge. Want to go in there. Okay. Again, just do the first one up, couple of turns. Grab the second screw. Oil her up. Like that. And then we can do the same again. Just locate that in. Like so. I like to hear the click, so I always just dislocate it. And then drop it back in situ. We can now tighten this one. There you go. Like that. And that is them in place. Looking rather sexy, isn't it? I can tighten that one up a bit more. Like that. Perfect. And already she's coming together, folks. So that's what we got at the end of this issue, folks. We got this part of the engine looking rather fetching. So, don't forget, if you'd like to grab this for yourself, build one of these along with me, and who wouldn't? It's the Ford Falcon. Pop over to the Hachette website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Bink, and you too can have one of these on your bench. Also, to help me out, if you can just click little fester, subscribe to the channel, helps me grow the channel, keeps it alive. Ring the bell whilst you're there, select all to get notified of upcoming content. Also, if you're on the mobile app, if you just scroll along where the thumbs up button is, just scroll along and you'll see hype. You can just click hype and hype the video. Punches the video out there and it recommends it to more people. And again, it helps me grow the channel and keep it going. In the meantime, thanks so much for coming in and keeping me company. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.